At wala may Wallace Monument, guys.
We have to basically we got the point of that.
Wala pa gani. Tulak ng kadaron.
Pag yung bagtak dati ron.
Pahuway lang utang na pahuwayan.
Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys.
Pabay ka to nga, gihangak na. Wala sa plano man.
Mang, nindot ya walay plano. Kaya matuman pa, planuan kaya di man matuman. May pa mo bossing din, di maghangak.
Okay lang na pababa. Ha? Ada di lingkut sa tadi di. Lingkut sa mga. Di makaya. Let's go. Una pa tong pahuway. Gikan pa ni nagsimba. Wala pa ulig walay. Luwag pantalon ay.
This one was built in 1500 and I think this battle was in 1200.
Ha? Saingon.
Halfway there. Pagbagtak dati ron.
Kasi akong panghudo. Ang boss, oh. Lagi kapoy.
Lagi ka po si bossing. Salak eh.
Oh, I like to go there with my head. Oh, I guess you're meant to sit behind it.
Viewpoint dito. Ano ka dito? Viewpoint?
Yan na eh.
Oh, dito sa dito ata.
Okay na lang. Asa na padulong dito pikas? Ha? Ano stroller po tayo? Ha?
guys.
Mama, mo gusto. Mukat-kat dere. Ah. Kaduhang pahuway. Sakit. Okay. Naku. Okay ra ni pababa.
Gapoy mga
Ha?
sa zigzag.
Pabagsak kay ato na ay bayad.
Ha? Puro.
Ano na, nakit ng bagtak. Saman?
Gamay na lang.
Sige, gamay na lang.
Bagtak akong bagtak. Tak na.
Eh, di, gamay na lang din. Abot sa tao. Abot na ta.
Also ich meine, das ist halt
Muna mo doon guys. Oh.
Wind, ne?
Hana.
Und also
Leidet sie da drunter?
ja, voll.
Ja, das ist dann halt auch
Voll. Und bei ihr ist noch was zusätzlich. Ihr Körper produziert mehr Testosteron und weniger Östrogen als er sollte.
Nakasaka ito kasi hagdanan man to. Hagdanan man to sulod. Namalit ang bayanan dari oh. Cing. Ay, abot na jud. Wow. May tayo mong balay da niyo.
Oh, gede. Kasi ka lang nasa kalendar ko. No? Ang pasin ba yan?
On the fields far below us here, the Battle of Stirling Bridge took place. Fought centuries ago between the English forces led by the Earl of Surrey, John de Warenne, and the Scottish force, a band of men led by our great hero William Wallace. This battle took place on the 11th day of September, 1297. That's almost 729 years ago. So obviously I can remember that like it was yesterday, because I was here that day, fighting alongside Wallace. Now I know what you're thinking, and the answer's moisturiser and a fair amount of whiskey. Now on that day we were not fighting for honour, riches or glory. Instead we were fighting for something far more valuable. Our very liberty was at stake, because Scotland had become occupied by the forces of Edward I, King of England. He was also known as Edward Longshanks because he had long legs. But make no mistake, he was a ruthless and ambitious man. And to understand why he chose to occupy Scotland, you need some context. Because just 10 years before this battle, Scotland was at peace and prospered under the rule of Alexander III, King of Scotland. He was a wise and noble leader, and he was well respected by his countrymen. He was also on friendly terms with our neighbours to the south, because Alexander of Scotland had married Edward of England's sister Margaret, so these two kings were brothers-in-law. But the good times were not to last. Queen Margaret died while she was still young, and a few years after that, while riding home in a storm one night on his horse, King Alexander's horse reared up and threw its rider, and the last of the ancient line of Scots kings fell from the cliff tops high above the Forth estuary to his death on the rocks below. Now, Alexander III died with no children. But thankfully, back in those days, the rules around situations like that were quite straightforward. If the king died with no heir, then any Scots nobleman who could trace his bloodline back to David I was eligible to become the new king. All they had to do was put their name forward to be considered. So, let's play a game. I'll let you guess. How many Scots nobles do you think put their names forward to become the new king? I'll start you off. It was more than one. How many? Less than 20, but more than one. Yes?
10?
More than 10, but less than 20. Already. That's a good guess. That's the right answer. 13. 13 men! 13 men put their name forward to become the new king. Now, obviously, they were never going to agree amongst themselves who the best person was for the job because all of them wanted to be the king. But in the end, they did all manage to agree on one thing. All of them agreed that they couldn't agree. So they would need someone else to choose for them. A judge would be required to pick the next king of Scotland. This judge would then obviously have to be somebody wise, someone fair, someone unbiased and impartial, someone who had Scotland's best interests at heart. Who better then to be that judge than Edward, King of England? Now, with hindsight, this seems like an odd choice, but remember,
Pababa nami guys. Pauli nami. Maura to mo ang laag. Nisaka na siniyo dito na ni Udto guys. Nanaw na siya sa kuan.
Wala lang, kalaag pa din. Duga, abot din. Kat lang, tanong po ka ato din. Teka, pula siguro ang likod niya. Teka, daoy. Tulad niya. Kaya tidwa man ako sanina ni.
Uli nami.
Ulit na ni guys, kay hangat man dayo sa ako guys.
No.
Sila na po yung nagtulak ko kuan. Awa na, ay pababa na dito.
Pagka si dad kay hindi mo makaagi pag guys.
Ha?
Saan ka pang sa taon ko kay ikapoy pababa. Mapasaka. Nagsigap namin.
Ano ba, stroller nagpasaka na po doon.
Ah?
May nag-stroller pasaka.
Sasako sa kanya ito eh. Papa, no, hindi kayo dati ko. Ibis na, hindi pagkapoy ang dati ron.
Kay Father's Day.
Oo.
May tigtulak o kuan.
Tulak sa stroller sa akin.
Ay, pababa. Ay, tarod eh.
Ah, ito ka dito man. Naday viewpoint dito man.
Pagiyara mo to eh.
Ay, ito ang viewpoint. Hindi, ito dito. Ay, wala.
Hanap po na sila dalan dito para sa shuttle. Yung pudo, may pagkabangko. Ano pa yung mata? Ah. Mana dira? Baba. Sok-sok nga lang bata ito.
Wala ka, may saka lang sa viewpoint mo.
Ko. Dili na po daw mi. Adto. Mura na. Ha?
Wala.
Puan ka ni lahos.
Ha?
Oh,
Ikaw?
kahoy na.
Wala mo gudo.
Oh.
Tara.
Yun eh. Naman eh sa kuan no?
Wala sa Pinas.
Sa Pilipinas, sa Purok Tres, daghanan eh.
Ay, bagong.
Idabong. Baka.
Pero kung ginakaon ba?
Yun.
Oh, magulo mo eh.
Ang sakay anak ka to lang ang kuan. Mga tigulang. Hindi ka kaya kat-kat dire. Sakay atong shuttle. Hindi eh. Ah, tubig na ako sa akin ay.
Dalan ba?
Ha?
Hindi ba kapili? Nanging dalan ba? Madanggaan.
Hindi.
Wala na. Sa driver yung bangga sa pasukin.
Iyon, maglisod ang shuttle na og saka og nay makasugat ko an tao. Kanta na mo dade kay wa naghihangap. Kanta-kanta na si dade now, wala naghihangap. Gato de oh, gitikon. Ito siya ang kilikiri guys. So, pagitik. Namay, nangagiday dito oh.
Napo di sila ipabuhira mo dream eh.
Suon ni mo, iniyo. Isuon ni mo nga ilong. Ano yung ilong?
Ay, pangatod.
Kulay nami.
Wait na mi guys.
Kulay nami. Natuman na ang gusto ni dada. Doon.
Doon naman.
Doon ra, pero hangak sa kaon.
Sarad na po kay fishing na po ang gusto ni daddy. Ahon pa karo sa batog makasabay.
Lagmi sa kuwan guys, botanical.
Inog na.
Saman to niya.
Hihin. Hihion.
Ay, CR sa baba. Ang tubod ba? Daw?
Ito, pwede dito.
Uli naman. Di ba pa po niya ang kuan? Gunit do, gunit. Okay, uli na ta.
Yeah.
Dali aron abot pababain.
Taas na tayo dito.
Okay na mi. Thank you. Oops, oops, oops. Madali lang at
Bawal kita dyan. Mamay na na dyan.
asa.
Daddy mo drive na. Pulbaan si mami na.
Ang sakyanan na.
At yung tuyok mo nimi.
Nag-tour na sila mag-asawa. Mali, puro nagdalan. Hindi ba nilang sakyanan na?
Gasolina.
Ha?
Gawa sila gasolina.
Lamay sa hangin.
Cute sila. Skinan eh.
Mag-asawa yun na. Pahangin naman na sila good.
Liko ka dapat mabot juga dari bago ka liko. Liko ka. Signal ka. Mandar ba na siya? Kasi bakit nakapasilitan? Wala na kong i-accelerator. Mandar na siya.